Before riding an electric scooter, make sure that all controls are functioning properly. The controls include the throttle, brakes, display, and displays. Check the charge level of the scooter before starting a ride. It's important to make sure that all parts of the electric vehicle are functioning, especially the battery. If you're riding a shared electric scooter, make sure that it has enough power for the journey. If it's not working, don't use it. Another important electric scooter safety tip is to always ride in designated areas. Avoid city streets and sidewalks. You'll want to avoid too much traffic and be alert. Vehicles will be able to easily overtake an EV, so it's important to follow city rules. If you must ride in urban areas, designate a designated area where you can ride without fear of being hit. These areas can include neighborhood cul-de-sacs or parks that have bike lanes. Avoid streets and busy areas. It's not safe to ride on the streets, and vehicles can easily overtake you. Stick to safe areas and open spaces. Remember to follow traffic rules and obey speed limits. If you must use sidewalks, make sure to signal to other drivers. If you're not sure where to park your electric scooter, ask someone in the area. There are also several other electric scooter safety tips. Make sure to wear a helmet and a mouth guard while you're riding. You should also wear knee and elbow straps and wear gloves to improve your grip. While you're riding, check the tires for damage. While the tires are covered, they can still fall off and cause you to crash. Keep calm, avoid panic, and protect your head with a helmet. When riding an electric scooter, it's best to follow the rules of the road. This will prevent you from suffering any serious injuries, and you'll be able to enjoy your ride with confidence. Keeping your eyes on the road is essential. You'll be less likely to be hit by another vehicle, and it's easy to become distracted while riding. It's also vital to respect speed limits. An electric scooter has smaller wheels than other vehicles, making it more vulnerable to potholes and road debris. Be aware of cars and pedestrians. It's vital to keep an eye on other vehicles, particularly when riding an electric scooter. If you can't see the driving cars, it's better to stay on the road. Besides being distracted, a scooter accident can cause serious injuries. Therefore, it's crucial to be cautious when riding an electric scooter. You can do this by following the tips that are being mentioned. Charging your electric scooter should only be done with equipment that isn't damaged. If your charger is broken or frayed, do not use it. Instead, order a new charger and dispose of the broken one immediately. Also, when you are not charging the electric scooter, make sure to keep the equipment out of the reach of children. Now that you've learned about electric scooter safety, if you haven't already purchased an electric scooter, you should do so on Top New Motorcycles. On Top New Motorcycles you can shop in 3D and augmented reality. You can also read reviews from previous buyers and get free shipping on every order. What are you waiting for? Visit topnewmotorcycles.com and shop for your new electric scooter today.